Hi, boys and girls. Look what I found on the clearance table. Kids Doctor Kit. Any of you want to be a doctor out there? Or a nurse? You know, this would be good for nurses also. Let's open it up and find out what is inside. Okay, let's open it, boys and girls. Here are things that you need if you are thinking about being a doctor. Let's open up his bag. Glasses. Say it with me. Glasses. Syringe. Say it with me. Syringe. Good job. Forceps. Say it. Forceps. Scissors. Scissors. Reflex hammer. Say it. Reflex hammer. Mouth mirror. Again, mouth mirror. Stethoscope. Say it with me. Stethoscope. I hope this helped all you future nurses or future doctors.